Colebourne Partners is the UK's first dedicated digital carton converter. We're based in the southwest of UK and we operate out of a state-of-the-art BRC IOP Category 1A manufacturing facility. And we are specialists in direct food contact packaging, moreover digital composite carton conversion. We bring printed substrates and other substrates together to produce our finished goods. Our customers we're 95% food producers, and the reasons we went into digital print was print for us at the time was outsourced. It was a real bottleneck for us. It took us up to 15 days to turn around our print. That really hampered our workflow internally. We also had an influx of new interest in orders sub 10,000 pieces, which for us, being a B1 converter at the time, was not viable. We had to pay attention to this development in the market, and we had to respond and offer something that would suit these small to medium enterprises. Been looking at digital at that point for maybe 6 years, and we came back to it at the table again. And from our perspective, there was in essence only two real candidates. With the Xeikon 3500, no pre-coating is required. The toner is FDA certified. With the wider format of 516mm, we were more productive. We really couldn't sing the praises high enough from Xeikon's service and warranty package that it's exceptional. We felt we partnered with a true partner as opposed to just buying a press off a company. So, no minimum order quantities. We really do one-offs, prototyping, sampling services to our customers. May order 250 pieces, 500, 1,000. That's great. Previously, we'd be restricted by about 20,000 units being B1. There's no write-offs anymore, zero write-offs. Our customers are only ordering what they want when they want it. Their forecasting requirements they're not there anymore. Their planning teams are not having to think 8 to 12 weeks in advance for our ordering. At 12 weeks, they're 60% accurate. No more in-house printed labels. We had a project with a customer where they were applying a in-house printed label to a generic bit of packaging they were buying from us. Not only were we able to produce them a more premium, more professional looking piece of packaging, we were able to take out an £80,000 spend in their business. Another one would be a quick response to customer screamers, and it's those phone calls you have first thing in the morning at 6 o'clock. We've had to reject 5 tons of fish. I've got to change the plan. We're running this at 4 o'clock. I don't have the cartons. Can you help? Now we can. We can put the job on straight away. We can turn it around and have it delivered by midday. That's the power of digital. That's the power of just in time.